Our new fridge is gonna be here in less than 10 minutes. We've been waiting a long time for this moment, so I'm gonna show you and unbox it with you. I think it's backing up right now. This is such an exciting moment in an adult's life. There she is.
No, I think I can just, yeah,
I'm so happy I'm a woman in this moment.
oh yeah, there we go.
You might be okay. You might. Oh.
Yeah.
You're not gonna believe this, but it's dented again. We don't know what to do. This is the second fridge that has arrived dented and damaged. Can't believe this. Here's our old fridge in all of its glory. We're gonna put this in replace of that because we need a bigger fridge. Can you imagine if it didn't fit? Are they opening? Okay, we were worried. It was a little touch and go. We didn't think the doors were gonna open.
I could
Okay.
pull it back more.
Time to open up the handles.
Time to open up the handles.
Honestly, the best part about the fridge I'm here to help. What would you do without me, honestly?
Please stop.
Anyone ever tell you how talented you are?
That's so funny. Oh goodness. See the screw on one side and one on the other.
That just won't do.
One issue after the other. That's bad.
It's the prettiest fridge I've ever seen, but for $5 grand, would you keep it or send it back?